After importing your cast and crew payroll invoice into PSL Plus, if you'd like to make any changes to the account coding, select Payroll folder on the left-hand side, then select Payroll Entry. You may also select number 6 from the Quick Access menu, Payroll, at the top of your screen. From here, enter in the reference transaction number that was assigned when you loaded your cast and crew payroll invoice into PSL Plus. Once entered, select the search icon, the magnifying glass from the top of your screen, or press F7 on your keyboard. This will pull up the payroll invoice. You may make any changes you need to the account coding by selecting the account on the transaction line and entering in the correct coding. Once you have made your changes to either account, series, locations, sets, or description, go ahead and hit Accept at the top of your screen. This will allow you to save the new account coding. Once you have accepted and saved, you are ready to post your payroll invoice.